Bonjour. The wheels of fate led you to a strange place today. Let us see if you will walk away or not. I do not think you should go that way, my friends. I have killed dozens, maybe hundreds. And now I must get novelty locks.
Let's have a
My
closer
life is
look.
strange.
The door's locked.
If that were something you needed, do you think I would tell you?
It'll take more than that to stop me. The master of unlocking.
Oui, that could be a key.
There's gotta be something useful here. Look, the exit is open!
There is more fun ahead.
Get near me, Ed!
Possible death.
Keyboard lead! I might...
Wah, wah. Fate has more cards to turn for you yet? Oui. He feels no pain. The perfect machine for this endeavor. Sometimes it's easiest just to do things yourself. You understand me. Me? Don't forget to search his corpse for anything useful. Because that's not a weird thing to do at all.
Think I can break through.
This really is not a very efficient way of ending your life. But orders are orders. He feels no pain. The perfect machine for this endeavor. So many of you left. More food for the undead in this area. We kept them hungry for you, in case you got this far. Sometimes it's easiest just to do things yourself. You understand me. Oui?
Everyone feeling better? It's here, I'll find it.
This really is not a very efficient way of ending your life. But orders are orders. You continue to fight, and the depravity of the game goes deeper. This is good for me, however it ends. Is this the best you can do? Okay, progress. But such little progress.
Going through.
Mine. Fuck you. It will pass. All things pass with time. Break it off! It was there to be broken. Dr. Wesker's virus clearly did nothing for you if this is how slow you are. Time is running out for you, my friends. Bad luck, my friend.